Do you know how to set passcode in any app? Follow my steps. First, take a screenshot of the app. Crop it according to its size and save 2 photos. Then open Shortcut. Click the plus to add new shortcut. Add shortcut name, which app you want to set passcode. Then add action. Search Ask Input. Click here. Search if. Change text to number. Change prompt to passcode. Set condition is. Set provided input as your passcode. Then search Open App. Drag to here. Then select App. Search Go to Home Screen. Then click here. Add to Home Screen. Select the screenshot you took. Remove the real app from Home Screen. The app will ask for input when anyone tries to open it. Only your passcode will work. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.